Your birth month is not a coincidence. You chose it. September, October, November, December. Born in September, as the ninth month, it is related to balance, protection, and transformation. It marks the end of summer in the Northern Hemisphere, initiating changes in nature and daily life. The archangel associated with this month is Michael, known as the Archangel of Protection, whose presence is closely related to strength, courage, and defense against negative energies. Archangel Michael influences those born in this month in their ability to face challenges with bravery and determination. These individuals may have a protective nature, ready to defend others and themselves from adversity. Born in October, it is associated with transformation, renewal, and connection with the spiritual world. As the cold begins in the Northern Hemisphere and nature undergoes changes in its life cycle, October's archangel is represented by Chamuel, of divine love, unconditional acceptance, and harmony in relationships. The influence on those born in this month by Archangel Chamuel is manifested in the ability to love and find beauty in all forms of life. These individuals may have an open heart, ready to offer love and compassion to those around them. Archangel Chamuel inspires finding balance and harmony in their relationships and maintaining a compassionate and tolerant attitude in their interactions with others. Archangel Chamuel is also associated with the search for self-love and connection with spirituality. Those born in October may feel a strong connection with their essence and seek the deeper meaning of life. Archangel Chamuel can help them find inner peace and embrace their authenticity with love and gratitude. Additionally, it offers support in moments of searching for purpose and meaning in life. Its loving energy can help find one's path and connect with their higher purpose. Born in November, related to deep transformation, internal reflection, and connection with the spiritual world. Nature prepares for winter in the Northern Hemisphere, a period of rest and renewal. Archangel Azrael is the archangel of the transformation of death, and his presence is closely related to guidance and support in times of loss, mourning, and transition. His influence can manifest in their ability to face difficult situations and overcome losses with strength and understanding. These individuals may have a compassionate nature, ready to support those facing the loss of loved ones or significant changes in their lives. Archangel Azrael inspires those born in this month to find hope and renewal, even in moments of mourning and adversity. Archangel Azrael has a special influence with the connection to the spiritual world and intuition. Those born in this month may feel a strong connection with the subtle energies surrounding them. Archangel Azrael can guide them on their spiritual path and help them understand the purpose behind challenging life experiences. Additionally, it provides support in moments of change and transition. His transformative energy can be a source of comfort and support as they face new chapters in life and easily adapt to changing circumstances. Born in December. This month is related to spirituality, inner peace, and the celebration of light amid darkness. It's a time when winter is in full swing in the Northern Hemisphere, and nature is in its resting period. Archangel Aniel is the Archangel of Grace, and his presence is related to intuition, spirituality, and connection with the feminine energy and the moon. The influence of Archangel Aniel on those born in this month can manifest their ability to connect with their intuition and inner wisdom. These individuals may have a strong connection with the spiritual world and a deep understanding of the subtler aspects of life. Archangel Aniel inspires finding inner peace and serenity, allowing them to experience divine grace in their lives. Archangel Aniel is associated with celebration, joy, and a strong connection with the magic of the Christmas season and the light that shines amid the winter darkness. Archangel Aniel can guide them to find joy in the spirit of giving and sharing with their loved ones. Additionally, it offers support in moments of reflection and self-evaluation. His energy of grace and compassion can help embrace authenticity and find peace amid life's turmoil. The archangels in this message tell you, "We love you very much, feel blessed, and understand that getting excited about the happiness of others is being happy twice. Recognize your fellow beings and contribute to making your world more loving and peaceful. Admire and exalt the efforts of all to move forward." We encourage you to share this divine message with your family and friends, since each birth month has a spiritual meaning. We are the archangels of heaven, in the love and light of the infinite Creator. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light serving humanity in Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you in every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.